Today I wanted to talk about forgiving. Very special thing about saying sorry, about apologizing. Sorry is not a bad word. Sorry is a beautiful word. And before I actually get into what I want to talk, let me say what we are. So there is this multiverse, and then comes the universe. In this universe, there are a lot of galaxies. We are in a galaxy called Milky Way galaxy. In the Milky Way galaxy, we are in the solar system. In the solar system, there are a number of planets. We are a part of the planet called Earth. And on the Earth, we have a number of continents. We are a part of the continent called Asia. Inside Asia, we are in a country called India. And now coming to me, in India, there are a number of states. I am a part of the Karnataka state. In Karnataka, there is a city called Bangalore, and inside Bangalore, there is an area called Lingarajpuram, and in Lingarajpuram, there is a street called Pillana Garden, and on that street, there is a small house, and in that house, there are a number of people living, and I am one of them. There are more than 8 billion people living on this planet Earth, and just I am one part of that. I don't know where we get this ego from, that I am big, I am rich, I am the best, I am the... You're just that small part. I'm not saying that put yourself low, that you are... No, I'm not saying don't put yourself low. Just don't have that ego in yourself. That is what I mean to say. And if you just, feel ashamed to say sorry. Why do we feel ashamed to say sorry? And we say sorry only when we value that relationship. Sometimes we also need to say sorry when we actually need that person, even though you are right. We say sorry even though we are right, just to make sure that you get that person. And later, when that person is cool or in a calm situation, you can say, this happened, it was not my mistake, but I need you, that's why I said sorry. So apology, and also doing a mistake every time and saying sorry also doesn't feel good. There are people who say sorry for everything, where we lose the value of sorry itself, the word sorry itself. So a true apology, you know how a true apology would look like? It has 4 things. First thing, acknowledge that you've done a mistake and that it has hurt them, and then accept it. Second thing, accept that you have done a mistake and that your mistake has caused some harm to them. Third, convey in a very good way that you will not repeat it, and making sure that doesn't happen in future. 4, repair. Now that you accepted, you acknowledged, and you told that you're not repeated, how are you going to repair the damage? This is what you're going to do. So all these 4 things: acknowledge, accept, taking responsibility, and repairing, damaging the situation, whatever has happened. So that completes a true apology. Just saying sorry and moving on is not sorry. And you don't have to go say sorry itself. You can say, I apologize. You can ask, forgive me. You can say, I didn't mean it, I didn't mean to hurt you. You can say, I need that relationship. You can say, I love you. That itself is a bigger word than sorry, So sorry doesn't have to come like sorry itself. And also to accept a sorry is a really big task. While asking a sorry itself is a big thing, accepting that apology is also a big thing. So when you accept, you say, never mind, it's okay, I think I understand, it happens. There are a lot of words that you can say to accept, and by accepting and by asking forgiveness and by forgiving, you let go a lot of things. You let go your anger, you let go your ego, you let go your whatever bad thought you have. and having some grudge over in your mind, actually you think of that other person more than that actually the other person thinks of themselves. So if you have to concentrate on yourself, apologize people, apologize to people, and apologize, forgive people. It feels good, it feels light. And yeah, and don't be sorry for a few things. Don't be sorry for spending time for yourself. Don't be sorry for loving someone, and don't be sorry for what you are. Don't be sorry for your imperfections, and don't be sorry for whatever makes you feel good. um, be happy. Yeah, say sorry. It's a beautiful word, it's not a bad word. Yeah, so take care, have a wonderful day, bye.